Good morning, students. How are you all? I hope you are good and fine. Third class, term 1. Today we will continue our class. Yes, our next lesson, our first lesson will be completed. Our next lesson is knowing our earth. Knowing our earth. The earth is a big sphere. It is impossible to see. It has a hole at a time. So we have to make a model of the earth to study it. This model is called a globe. Knowing our earth means what is earth, how we will use earth. Earth is a big sphere. It is impossible to see whole at a time. It is impossible to see whole at a time. We have to make model of the earth to study it. We study this model is called globe. We will see all the things about earth. We will see globe. It is called globe. A globe is spherical in shape like the earth. A globe is spherical in shape like the earth. It is used to locate places on the earth. The globe is used to locate where is the place having in on the earth, and where is the trees, and where is the water. However, we cannot see all the places at the same time even on a globe. In a globe you cannot see all the places of a earth. On a globe we have to rotate the globe. See, this is your globe. We will rotate like this, and we will see which area we are having, and where water how much in this earth. We have to rotate the globe to see all the different parts of the earth. To show the details of all places, we need a huge globe. A huge globe would be expensive to make and difficult to carry one place to another. See, huge globe we will not carry at a time, so we will put one there. We will see all the things on a globe. What we will see on a globe, where we'll be having trees, and where we'll be having land, how much of water and how much of land. 70 percentage of water having, and 30 percentage of land. Only we will leave on 30 percentage of land. Difficult to carry a globe. We will difficult to one place to another. We will carry, not if this is not a impossible. So we take the help of a map. A map is drawing of the earth or a part of it on a flat surface. Maps can be big or small, so we cannot take this globe at a time. Impossible to carry, so we will use that time. We will use map. A map is drawing on the earth. We will draw earth flat surface. Maps can be divided big or small. Sometimes we use large maps that can be huge on a wall. These are called wall maps. Now we also have digital maps. We can look up on computer or a smartphone. A book of map is called an atlas. It's called an atlas. See, okay? See, we will use some computers on a smartphones, like a map. That it is called atlas. Now we will explain continents and oceans. Look at the world map on page number 169. We will explain in that. The area that are colored blue show water bodies, and the different colored area show land masses. See, in a map, colored blue, which color will be blue will be having, that it is called water bodies, and the different color areas are shown land masses. Where is different color will be shown land masses. The earth is divided into 7 large areas. Seven large areas of land called continents. We have 7 continents. How many continents? We have 7 continents. See, Asia, Africa, North America, South America, Europe, Australia and Antarctica. I am repeating again. we we have continents. In that continent, 7 continents is there: Asia, Africa, North America, South America, Europe, Australia and Antarctica. This is our continent. This is our continents. Asia is the largest and Australia is the smallest. Asia is the largest and Australia is the smallest. We can draw maps of each continent. Our country, India, is located in the southern part of the continent of Asia. Southern part of continent of Asia. See, this is our continents. See, in world map, this Asia, Africa, North America, South America, Europe, Antarctica, Australia. This is our continent. See, Asia is the biggest. Asia is the biggest and Antarctica is the smallest continent of India. I hope you can understand this topic. We will continue our next topic in next class. Your homework is 7 continents. 7 continents: Asia, Africa, North America, South America, Europe, Australia and Antarctica. Homework 2 times you should write and send me. Okay, thank you.